What the hell I say, I'm at in the hotel looking like the 70s. The motel is called Vagabond. I wonder if this motel is the best they could find. They said, come on in and take a load off, have a seat and pour yourself a cough syrup. I laughed it off, but I think they were serious.